Dear kids, the story related to today's hadith is about an elephant and a lion. Dear kids, grudge is a very bad illness which can make a loss to us. Grudge is that all the time we feel hate and jealousy in our heart for someone. But with all these things, we also try to do something bad for them. Sometimes it happens that we do something bad for others but get caught in it. By doing so, we waste our time and energy, as it happened with an elephant in today's story. Dear kids, once upon a time there was an elephant in a forest and a lion. The lion was the emperor of the forest. The elephant had a grudge with the lion because the lion gave orders to all the animals of the forest. The elephant did not like it. He wanted the lion to get out of the forest, but he could not do so, as the lion was the emperor of the forest and also powerful. One day, the elephant thought that like this I could not get rid of the lion, but I can do such a trick that the lion gets trapped in it. He started to dig a hole in the way of the lion from where he used to walk daily so that the lion fell down in it and could not come out. The elephant digged a big hole with his long beak and put narrow sticks of wood and leaves on top of the hole so that the lion could not see the hole. After it, the elephant sat away on the side to wait for the lion to come and fall in the hole. But dear kids, the day the lion went away from the forest for some work, so he did not come in this way. Like this next few days, the lion did not come. The elephant got disappointed, and a few days later, he forgot that he digged a hole himself. Dear kids, when the lion passed from this way, he fell down into the hole. Now he was crying loudly. No animal could help a big elephant to come out. He had regretted that if he did not make a hole for the lion, he would not be trapped in it, but now he couldn't do anything. Then it happened that the lion came and saw. He advised all the animals to come together and fill the hole with mud. He told that when this hole will be filled with mud completely, the elephant will come out. Dear kids, all the animals started to do the same, and then the elephant found his way to come out. Dear kids, as you see that, due to grudge, the elephant got trapped into such a big tragedy. So we also try not to have grudge with any friend or neighbor or brother or sister, and also never try to harm anyone. Dear kids, Allah teaches us to love all humans.